Good afternoon, guys. I'm at the moment here in the street. Yeah, I forgot the name of the actual place, but this is here in Mayfield West, and this area is like yeah, it's a new place. Most of the buildings here are new. Actually, if I am to compare it, this is similar to those places in Dubai. Yeah, a lot of places in Dubai that is similar to this place. Like a newly developed business area, and most of the trees are newly planted. I mean, the trees are very low. Yeah, it's very similar to those in Dubai, just like this, that area. The difference is that there are more trees. There are more trees here, and actually even the temperature, yeah, it is hot, very similar to Dubai. So yeah, my day off is finished, and I am now going back to Nelson Bay. Yeah, I just put petrol because I'm running out of gas, and yeah, this coffee is actually free, and the lady working over there is very productive. There is two machine over there, and she managed to use that, both of them, with the different guests, with a different customer, able to communicate without delay. I actually the one who caused a little delay, but it's okay because I was the last. I forgot that I need to show my flybys. Yeah. Should I transfer it to my coffee mug? No. I'll just have it here. This is flat white, and I added sugar. Yeah, thank you to that lady. She gave me a coffee. Maybe free coffee every morning. It's over 11 o'clock already. And my duty today is 2 o'clock. Oh, there is a car wash over there. Should I go for a car wash first? Oh, look at this. Still have a soap. Yeah. I actually still have time, but basically this high pressure rinse and soap water rinse is not working. No good. I paid $6 actually. Now I need to move to another machine. Become too expensive. Yeah, $12. Supposed to be just $6. Machine error. Where to complain? There's no stop. Yeah, we are now here in
time-lapse mode.
Yeah, that's my dust cam. Yeah, and we are now here in Panning's warehouse. I'm going to buy a moisture absorber. And that was actually about 1 hour of travel. Yeah, and you know, I'm not going to do travel every day here to Newcastle because it will cost a lot of gas. This is what I'm going to get. Yeah, moisture absorber, and it's just $4. The one that I bought maybe 1 month ago, it's already finished. The temperature in the van, inside the van is yeah, it's humid, hot, and yeah, there's a possible moist build up, and this one will help to reduce that. And because you know, if there is a moist, there will be a mold and the smell will not be good. So this one is a big help. You can see it's already water. All the crystals already gone, dissolved. Basically just remove this cover and remove this. Put it back and yeah, I'll just keep it there. Don't know why it's like Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are here in Albora Marina. The time now is 8:30. Yeah, I actually just walk. I walk for about 2 hours. So I wake up at around 6 o'clock. And I was planning to do some computer works, but then I should walk. Yeah, I should walk around, and that's what I did. Yeah, I walk around the Bay Area all the way to Little Beach, around. Yeah, for 2 hours. I think it's a good exercise. Yeah, a lot of people actually is doing that. When I was I mean, mostly they are jogging, not walking, but for me I was just walking. Yeah, and look, there is a guy inside. And today is again my first day here in the Bay Area of Port Stephens. Yeah, and the same like last week, my goal is not to eat in fast food in restaurant. The food that I'm going to eat will be the one that I cook, and that is coming from the grocery. Yeah, not in the restaurant. In the previous 2 weeks that I promised to do that, I failed. I failed because of the circumstances. Yeah, and those happened, and we have to accept those things. So this is going to be my lunch today. This time I'm going to eat this bread, and I'm going to make a coffee. This is what I'm going to eat, the rice. Yeah, this is just $6 from Aldi. Big quantity. And I'm going to eat just half of it. The rest will be my dinner. 2 minutes. And we are actually here at the beach. I am going to work now. Yeah, I actually didn't able to edit video. I forgot my charger. Yeah, the laptop charger. I forgot in Newcastle. That's why tonight, yeah, I'm going to Newcastle to get that charger. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, at the moment I'm here again in the petrol station here in Newcastle, Koragang Islands, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and basically I went back to my apartment last night, yeah, to get my charger for the laptop. Another thing is that I thought today is weekdays, so I am supposed to go to one of the office, but Yeah, when I was looking at the door, I checked, oh, it's closed. Yeah, and then I checked the website, the opening time. And that's when I realized that today is Sunday. And no office. Was actually prepared. I have my pants, I have my white shirt. Then I realized that today is Sunday. And yeah, I actually sleep in my apartment. Did not have a breakfast yet, but yeah, I bought this coffee here in Kohl's. Also $2 banana bread. Yeah, I decided to stop here because when I was driving, I was feeling sleepy again. It is now 12:16 and I am now here in the workplace actually, but my duty is still at 2 o'clock, so I'm going to cook a rice. I realized that I still have fried rice in the fridge. I should not cook rice today. Oh, I'm going to eat fried rice, that fried rice, and I'm going to boil this egg. And let's get the egg. Just one. This is too hot, very hot. Very difficult to peel. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are here at the moment here in Shell Bay. At the moment, yeah, the time is still 7 o'clock, so yeah, it is not busy. But later on by 8, 9, 10, yeah, this space is going to be fully occupied by cars. I was tempted to buy a coffee in that restaurant, but no, I will just make a coffee later. And now I'm going to the grocery. I don't know if it is going to rain, but yeah, actually I did not have a good sleep last night because yeah, it was very windy. Yeah, it was very windy, and there is something a noise, something loose on my vehicle. Maybe it's the plate number keep banging on the wall of the vehicle, something like that. It sounds like that. IJ is actually still closed. I don't know what time they're going to open. They just cleaned the table. You notice there's still the white, that's the soap. While waiting for the grocery to open, let's just go to that people at the GT. Oh, let me show you this flower. Amazing, the water is really clean looking this time. And also you notice that yeah, it's really clean. I mean, there's no, because you know, in some days, I mean in some season, a lot of dirt here, like the, you know, the grass, the seagrass, yeah, they are down here, but now it looks very clean. I was just in the car 30 minutes and it is now 2 minutes to 8 o'clock. We're going to the grocery. I'm getting this one. This is just $2.95. Yeah, that one. Also an egg. I bought an egg. This is $5.50. So we are now here in Anzac Park. That is already the beach. If you want to come here, this is one of the relaxed place to stay, to park. That's the beach, and there's car park in here. There are more on the far side. And if you remember yesterday, I cooked a rice. I have some, yeah, this is yesterday. This actually, it smells not okay anymore. Yeah, not good anymore. Yeah, didn't even touch it. Not good, wasted. Wasted. I'm going to cook again. Even the egg, I'm not going to eat it. Cook a new one. Okay, this is scrambled egg. The cooking inside the bun is a big effort to do. I can't cook outside because this is not this is a public place. It's not a picnic area, just a car park. Finish. This rice, I'm not going to leave it here. I'll keep it in the fridge instead. I don't want that rice to be up again. Yeah, wasting. When washing the dishes, as much as possible, I'm saving water. Actually, there's a lot of free water that I can get anywhere around here in the bay. But yeah, I'm still saving. Basically, my cooking setup is the same still like the camping setup. I cannot really make it permanent here, like permanent stove, permanent rice cooker, because I don't have much space. That's why I'm always keeping it here. It's down here. Now I'm going to make a coffee. What time is it? It is now 9:31. It's still early. Yeah, I'm going to edit video while having a coffee. This outlet is not good being here.